I, please state your name. Having been elected to the position of, please state the position, of the Filipino community in Kerala, do hereby solemnly promise and swear that I will conscientiously and faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties and responsibilities of my office, that I will uphold and defend the association's constitution and bylaws, and bear true faith and allegiance to the same, that I will obey and enforce the laws, regulation and policies of the association, that I will actively participate and support the association's activities and programs, including those that shall benefit my association in general and the members in particular, and that finally I shall impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily and without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God. Congratulations po. We now complete the roster of our officers.